You sound like Lea Salonga. No way. Thank you. That sounded like no, I'm sorry. I meant thank you, but I don't think anyone sounds like Lea Salonga. She's in the league of her own. GOAT, one and only. Like, I don't know. But thank you so much. That's such a big compliment. Thank you so much. You're so sweet. You're so sweet. I think you're a little bit biased. Since PBB days, I've been rooting for you. Thank you. Very sweet. Asan si KD? Nandito literal sa tabi-tabi. Please sing We Can't Be Friends. Yun nga eh, we don't have a guitar kasi. Wala kaming guitar dito eh. Water.
You want? Juice.
You want juice?
No,
I have another Lux Slim in the cabinet. If you want to make juice by yourself, it's just there in the cabinet. Under that part, yeah. And chill is going to you. Let's listen to some music. What foundation am I using right now? Kati na mata ko. Today, ang ginamit ko po ay Teviant. Teviant foundation. You're so weird. Why are you getting the bottled water?
I'll just throw it outside when I leave.
You're weird. Okay. What eyeliner did I use? Kiko Milano. That's my eyeliner. I love it. Sige, talk to me. Talk to me. Hi, Ate M. Since Going Bulilit, idol na kita. Thank you so much. Hi, idol Going Bulilit. Grabe, alam nyo guys, natatawa talaga ako every time na people call me Going Bulilit. Kasi parang hindi naman ako mukhang Going Bulilit. I mean, I don't know. It's funny. Pero ang galing. Kasi nung nandun ako nung bata ako, hindi ko naman ever naisip na I would ever leave a mark or matatandaan ako ng mga tao. Pero nakakatawa kasi hanggang ngayon na ang laki ko na, although hindi ako matangkad, Going Bulilit pa din. What's your lippy? It's a mixture of two lippies. One is, but they're both Korean. They're both Korean. Daesik, and Romand. So yung dalawang yan. I did my makeup today. Hair color. So my hair used to be red. Yeah, it used to be a very bright red. Pero nag-fade na siya ng nag-fade. And because I'm trying to transition to brown hair, hinahayaan ko na lang siya. So right now, I don't really know what you call this color. Because here, it's still a bit red. But here, pababa, medyo nagba-brown na siya. Ayan o, medyo brown na siya. Ganda ng earrings mo. Thank you, ate. Nakauwi ka na? Opo, nakauwi na ako. Thank you for asking. Bagay sa'yo ang blonde. Nagsawa na po ako sa blonde eh. Tsaka parang sobrang namatay na yung hair ko kaka-bleach. So, it's time for a break. I made the song for you both. KD and Alexa. Hope you'll hear it. Wow! I would love to hear it. You can email it to me. Wait, I need to sneeze. Excuse me. I'm blessed. Thank you. Wait. Na-aching na naman ako. Sorry. Pag na-notice mo ako matutulog ako, huwag ka muna matulog. Hintayin natin mag-12. Sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang Believing in Magic.
Ay, na-notice mo na matutulog.
Ay, patay. Mali ako. Hindi kita pinapansin. Wala. Hanggang dito lang yung usapan. Congrats sa trophy. Thank you so much. Great performance yun ni KD sa campus tour. Thank you po. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami, as in. Ang saya-saya kantahan ng crowd sa Arellano University. Oh, thank you so much. Ang saya-saya mag-perform kapag ganun yung crowd. Kapag hina-hype ka, pag sumasabay sila, pag kumakanta rin sila, saya-saya mag-perform kanina. Nabitin tuloy ako na pa 2 songs. Hindi ba binibleach yung red hair? No, hindi bleach yung red hair ko. So, I go to a new salon now. It's called Daol Salon. It's in BGC. Na-achieve nila yung super bright red na gusto ko without bleach. Slay, diba? Ba't di pa umuwi yung katabi mo? Umuwi na yan. Bumalik lang dito. No. Ganyan talaga pag my driver sweet lover. Wow. Gala na siya dahil nagda-drive na siya. Good luck sa concert niyo sa May. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you. Totoo bang malayong pinsan mo si Miss Reg? Actually, si Miss Reg mismo nagsabi sa akin nun. But apparently, yes. Pero malayo talaga. But somewhere in that family tree, we are somehow connected. Maybe like a 0.5%. Pwede bang sumilip si KD? Ayaw, nakapajama na siya eh. Mamaya, try nating pilitin. Red hair pa ba ikaw sa concert? Hindi na. Ayaw na. Yun lang mahirap pag super bold kasi nung color. Magsasawa ka agad. Ano tawag sa haircut mo? Wala po. Ano lang to. Hindi nga ata to layered eh. Hindi ko pa siya napapagupitan actually. Matagal na po. Silip na ikaw?
No.
Sige na nga. Kailan? Nawala. Sige, let's play music para party-party tayo dito. Kamukha mo na si KD, so ang pogi ko po ba? I like the way you kiss me, I can tell you miss me, I can tell you I love this song.
Stick season.
What?
Stick season.
Stick song. May lahi ka po ba? 1/4 lang. 1/4 Spanish. Now you're tired, Jackson. What if you're not getting the same energy you keep investing on someone? Oh, that is a good question. Ikaw, what if you're giving so much energy to someone and obviously you're not getting it back?
Bye-bye.
Same. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Goodbye.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Goodbye. 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 Because why? Why would we stick around? Why would you allow yourself to be a doormat for someone who obviously doesn't care about you? That's 2024 now. Let's not let ourselves be lugi, you know. Everybody is saying, how you came, oh my goodness. It is chasing me wherever I go. Ganda ng lips mo. Super over-line yan. Oh, over talaga. And you know, KD and I, we have the same pimple. In the same exact spot.
Oh yeah, we do.
Literally this. Oh, yours is left. Oh, mine is right.
Ooh.
Oh. The same Texas.
Hey.
Believing in magic, pakikanta naman. Mamaya, abangan natin ng 12 midnight paglabas ng Believing in Magic. Sabay-sabay tayo kakanta. Don't you worry. Let's get to the hold down. There's a tornado. I'm sad I failed sa exam. I know how that feels. And I know it feels devastating, and I don't know, it must feel like the end of the world right now. But you can try again. You can retake it. That's something I realized while I was studying, and I was putting so much pressure on myself to the point na parang napabayaan ko na yung mental health ko and yung self ko. So you can always retake that exam, but you should always prioritize your well-being. How tall are you? I'm not a tall queen. I'm a short queen. Like what Max said, I'm only 5'2". 5'3" on a good day. Just kidding. Ba't di ka na kumakanta? Ano po bang gusto niyong kantahin ko? This ain't Texas. Lipstick. 2 lipstick po ito na pinaghalo ko. Impossible by Chantel. What song is that? Is that Impossible? Is it that one? It's an old song na, diba? Nagbigay ng mixed signals, tas di pala niya ako gusto. Oh, gets ko yan. Wala eh, may mga ganyan talaga tayong kailangan pagdaanan. I guess, I don't know what to say. I don't know what, but I know that. I get it.
It's not your fault.
Yeah. I mean, ganito na lang. Sabi ko nga nitong 2024, binabago ko yung mindset ko na it's on them mindset. Oh, you don't appreciate me. You don't reciprocate the energy I give you. Okay, that's on you. It's your loss. That's on you. You give me mixed signals. Tapos ayaw mo pala sa akin. Sorry boy, that's on you. Your loss. They'll realize it sooner or later when they miss your presence that, oh my God, sayang siya. Pero by that time, naka-move on ka na, ha? Today is my birthday. Happy birthday! I am. St. Texas. With bleach ba yung hair mo? Hindi po. You can message Daol Salon for your questions. Are you living together with KD? No, I'm not. I live with my mom. He is just here as my visitor. He's my visitor. He is my driver. He is everything. But yes, kasi after nung early, may work pa kaming kailangan gawin. So we had to go to my house and we had to shoot something. And now he's just staying here to support me. Thank you.
Of course.
Lex, ang dami kong interaction. Dami namin interactions ni Crush kanina. I say deserve. I say deserve. Good for you. Happy for you. Thoughts on friendship breakups? That is the worst. I have gone through so much. I've gone through so much. So many friendship breakups with friends I literally thought were going to be in my life forever and ever. Mas masakit pa friendship breakup kaysa sa jowa breakup eh. So, totoo lang. Friendship breakups hit different and yeah. Ako pa naman when I have friends, they are literally my world. They are my sunshine. They are my night sky. They're my everything, and I love my friends so much. But wala eh. Talagang minsan dumarating sa point that you outgrow each other, or slowly you feel that things aren't the way they used to be, and sometimes it's beyond your control. And sabi ko nga, I don't want to force things. Whatever is meant for you will be for you, and that also applies sa mga tao. Whoever is meant to be in your life will be in your life no matter what. So, totoo yung sinasabi, mga quotes na parang some people are meant to be in our lives to serve as a lesson. Yung mga ganong-ganong ek-ek, totoo yun. Actually, pero sabi ko talaga, makaka-move on ka naman palagi. You will always be okay at the end of the day. Hi, maganda. Hello po. Friend mo ba si Francine? Yes. She's not just my friend. She's my love team. Oh, pretty. Thank you. Masakit pag jowa mo, BFF mo, tas nag-break kayo. I know, honey. I know. Oh, hey. The same Texas. I'm gonna sing The Same Texas every time I see that filter. I know that hurts. That hurts so bad. Pero alam mo, hindi ko na rin alam kasi wala tayong magagawa. It's really part of life. We outgrow people we love. They outgrow us. And we have nothing else to do but to move forward. Can you sing Stupid in Love? Sige na nga. Let's see. Oh, This Ain't Texas. Hey, I love it when people send me the cowboy.
The cowboy.
This Ain't Texas. Wait, I'm gonna look for an instrumental on YouTube. So, saglit. This is gonna take some time. This Ain't Texas.
Down, down, down.
May extensions po ba hair niya? Nar. This is all mine. My love is mine, all mine. My hair is all mine. No, this is all mine. Kasi hindi ako marunong maglagay ng extensions on myself. Nothing in the world belongs to me but I don't have my glasses. Can you please be the one to type?
Okay.
Kanina si Katie kaya niyang i-guitar yung Stupid in Love. Kaso wala kaming guitar.
Yeah, we did a few songs already.
Nag-jamming kami kanina bago sumalang.
Yung na-video lang is We Can't Be Friends by Ariana.
Hindi ko nga alam na nag-video pala siya kanina.
I was about to say something.
Texas. What?
I was about to say something. No, that she was videoing, pero I didn't want to ruin it. Okay. What song?
Stupid in Love daw. Instrumental, please. You like my hair right now. I think it's because of the way I styled it. So I bought this new curling iron from the Orange app. It's apparently a dupe for the really famous, expensive GHD or T3, that curler. So nirecommend siya sa akin ng hairstylist ko. And I love it! It's so cheap. I think I got it for 600. As opposed to the T3 hair curler, 20,000 plus, I believe. Any tips po para maalagaan yung voice? Oof, I am very bad to ask. I used to drink salabat every day. I used to drink ginger every day. Ngayon pa lang ulit ako mag-start voice lesson. So if I learn new tips, I shall let you guys